Hello boys and girls. Today we will be going over some of the sound cards that you learned in first and kindergarten, and then after that we will be working with some consonant, vowel, consonant words as well as the digraphs. So let's get started. I'm going to say a letter, the letter name, and then the sound, and then I want you to repeat after me. A, apple, A. A, apple, A. Great job. J, jug, J. J, jug, J. Great job. Remember to repeat after me after I say the letter, the sound name, and the sound. R, rat, R, rat, E, ed, E. E, ed, E. V, van, V. V, van, V. O, octopus, ah. O, octopus, ah. G, game, G. G, game, G. I, itch, I. I, itch, I. U, up, U, up, Now let's go into the digraphs. W, H, whistle, W. W, H, whistle, W. C, H, chin, ch. C, H, chin, ch. S, H, ship, sh. S, H, ship, sh. T, H, thumb, th. T, H, thumb, th. C, K, sock, k. C, K, sock, k. Great job, everyone. Now we will go into our new slide, and here are our alphabet letters. So first we're going to make the word mat. M, a vowel A, T. And we can tap it out. Now remember, when we tap out, we take our thumb and we put it to our pointer finger for the first sound, our middle finger for our second sound, still touching our middle finger and our thumb, and then for the third sound, we take our thumb to our ring finger, our third finger. So let's do that together and tap out mat. M, A, T, mat. And remember, when we say the word, we close our fingers all together in one tight spot. So let's try that again. Let's tap out mat. M, A, T, mat. Great job. The next one we are going to do is the word job. Let's take our fingers again. We're going to tap it out and then say the word. J, A, B. Job. Let's try that again. J, A, B. Very good. That word was job. Awesome job. Next word we will do is a word yap. Let's tap this one out. Ready? Yap. Yap. Let's try that again. Yap. Yap. Very good. Now, boys and girls, remember that sometimes we have this friend, Q, who always has his best friend, U. It makes the sound qu. So the word that we are going to do is quit. Let's tap this out. And the QU makes one sound when we say it. Qu. Qu. It. Quit. Let's do that again. Qu. It. Quit. Wonderful job. We are now ready to move on to the digraphs.